Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are well there. So let's go. We are going to start today part second of three questions. In the previous period or in the previous video, we learned about the part first of the three questions. In the part first, we learned that the king was very much confused about the three questions which came in his mind. Who is the most important person to whom he should listen to? What is the right time to start anything? And what is the most important thing in the life? These three questions came in the mind of a king. So king was in confusion that if he should know about these three questions answer, means he can run his kingdom very nicely. So he called the counselors, he called the people, he sent the messengers, and he called so many people for answering these three questions. But later he found that he was not satisfied with the advices which he got from whom? The counselors or the people who came there for answering. So later he thought that he should have to get the answer. So in the part second he went to the hermit. So we'll see about that what will happen with the hermit. So here we'll start with the part 2. So I request to all students they have to open their books and they have to go on the part 2. So the king turned around and saw a bearded man. So he went to the hermit. Hermit means what? A wise person who lives in a forest for the sake of improving others' life. So the king turned around and saw a bearded man running toward them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. So in the part 1 we saw that king approached to the hermit and hermit was trying to answer him. So they both were, king and hermit, they both were communicating with each other. But at the later they found that one wounded man who was injured, he got injury on his stomach, the blood was flowing. So he came, ran toward the king, and what happened? Look there, the king and hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. So king and hermit both they helped to that injured man and they found that that man is bleeding. That man was bleeding and they removed the cloth and they found that the king washed. Now both they decided to cure this person. They decided to cure this person. And what will happen? Now we will see how these both the people take care of this wounded man. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last bleeding stopped. So here, the king and hermit both they helped that man, and what they did, they stopped the flowing. How did they stop the flowing of the blood? They dressed to that man. Dressed means what? One kind of cloth they kept on the injuries. So they dressed and redressed it and they saved the life of that injured man. So in the next period, in the next video, we will see that how this man will be saved and who was this man, why this man is coming toward the king and why this man is asking for the help and how the king will get the answers of his questions. So in the next period, we will see about it. Thank you for attending class.